Yo, Charlie Watts, running for Rose Bikes, Wide Open Magazine and Cali Protection. This year I'm riding the brand new Bruce. I've got a couple of little customised bits on it just to suit my riding style.
What are we supposed to do? Living in a time like this. What's the flipping do?
I've had my forks serviced at TF tuned. Makes them nice and stiff. I've lowered them down to 80.
Taking the children to the park.
I'm running Continental Race King tyres. They're super light and they roll really fast. I really like the dropouts on the Bruce because you can tighten them up. It really helps with keeping my chain tight, which helps tail whips because the cranks don't spin.
You will be living in raging force. You'll be sorry the day you were born. When they castrate your arm.